What's up guys, welcome to a new video, and today we are gonna be revisiting APRP. Why was there a Christmas song? Why is there a Christmas song? Anyway, we are gonna be revisiting APRP because I don't have a reason. Maybe next, okay, we're doing construction site. You probably already know that, but do I have a reason for why I'm doing this? No. Maybe next video? I don't know. Maybe next video I'll have a reason, but today we're revisiting construction site. Difficulty 9 out of 10. Anyway, let's do this. Let's do this for some reason I don't really know. Where am I? You are finally awake. Remember what happened? I don't really much. All I saw was a plane crashing down and exploded. I hit the ground roughly. You're right. Trust me or not, our pilot partner slowly turning into effect while we are controlling. I think he's the pilot because, you know. Oh well, that's unexpected. I shouldn't have come to a parachute today, but blah blah blah. Enough talking, we need to move on to survive. I'll come back to assist you. My legs just... Oh wait, okay, where am I? Okay, where am I? Okay, let's do this. I do remember that we have to grab this and walk down. Need a pickaxe. Where do I need to go? What do I need to put this? Where do I need to go? Oh no. Where? I forgot where to do this. Oh no. Oh wait, here. I remember. Blank. Oh, since when could he do? Back at it again. What's happening? Okay. I know what to do now. I think. Okay, so grab this and watch out. I don't think I can escape from here. Ooh. Oh god. Wallace is now searching around. Is he? Is he though? No, he isn't. Wait, what? Oh hey Wallace, it's been a long time since I've seen you! I'll grab the shovel later, please. I'm now just I don't know. I'm now just running. I'll grab that. Thank you. I'll grab that. Thank you. I didn't grab it, sadly. Come on, I need this right now. I kinda really need the blue key, Wallace. Thank you. Aw man, this is gonna really take a long time, isn't it? Come on. Dude, why is it so hard to grab? Maybe I'm just bad at PC. Who knows? Come on. Yes. Finally. Come on, open. Alright, they are stuck there. like always. Now let me just... Thank you! Oh god. Oh god. If you don't mind, I'm just gonna... Okay, I think it's time to see the one and only... the robot. I forgot his name. Okay, we still need the blue key for that. I'm gonna grab the blue key again real quick. Oh god. Yo, nice pose, man. Nice pose. Okay, now I just need to know where he is. Where are you? Where are you? Oh, you're down there. Oh, great. I have to deal with Wallius. Excuse me. Excuse me, you can go through her? But Wallius couldn't, so why can you? Wait, this may be really hard. Because I just need to avoid him and stuff. TNT. I need that later, not now. Yep, here he is. What do I need? I need a wrench. Where do I go? Where is he? Oh, he's stuck. If you don't mind, I'm just gonna go. I think that gets them stuck when you just jump off like that. Okay, what do you need? A crowbar. I right now don't have a crowbar, but I might find one soon. Just let me, TNT, perfect. Watch out! Bomb. Right, let's see. That one goes right there. No, he's not stuck anymore. God dang it, I wanted you stuck forever. Oh no, when are you gonna stop following me? The gate is wide open. Let's see what's going on. Hey, can you get the stinker can out of my way, please? Let me just grab that. Thank you. Oh my. Someone must have done this to not let us escape. We need to work quickly on top. Let's do this. Please, Warriors, kill the stinker can. Please just let me grab the gas. Kill the stinker can. Thank you, Warriors. Thank you. Oh no. Wait, Washi. It was Washi. He was not Wallius. Wallius is a... There. Wallius, what are you doing out there? Where are you? Standing still. Alright, right. Now we have to grab the thing from Washi. That thing. And now we need to go. There. Okay, there's something in there. But I don't think I can easily get it with Wallius here after me. I need to just bring around the Rosie. Thank you, and I'm just gonna grab that real quick. Okay, where does the white key go? Oh no. No, please, Wallius, I beg you. I think we have to find that one guy. What's his name again? That one pig. Let's find that one pig. I forgot his name. Yep, here goes the white key. I think he's coming out there soon. Yep. Hey, I heard something. Stay safe up there. In fact, can't see much. Okay, that's good to know. Hup, hup, hup. I bet he's staring down the path. Let me come grab any item up there. Oh Jesus, what is that? Ooh, this. Let me just... I think we need this now. Give it to Washi, wherever he is. Wherever he is. Washi, where are you? I need you right now. Please. I think you're over there or something. Oh, whoa. I heard him, he's pretty fast. Washi. Here. Here's the fire extinguisher. Thank you very much. Oh. Let me see what's in this pocket. Alright, well, I'll just run for Wally's. A lighter. Nothing useful. I'll ignite the stick and make it a torch. There. Oh god, oh god, oh god. Yes, I think he will take that. I'll go check some stuff at the helicopter. Helipod. What helipod? Where do I go with this? I think inside here. Or something. Here, right? Oh, yes. Right, this part. I'll do this. Okay, this part. This one is very spooky. This one is that one guy. Okay, let's see. X3. 3v2, and I guess I can just guess this. Okay, I'll take that. Yeah. And now let me get out of here before that guy comes. Oh god, where is he? Oh, he's stuck. Phew, glad he's stuck. Now I just gotta run for my life. Groovy music, man. A wrench. Oh no. Okay, I left the wrench here. Phew. Up. Yes, I did it. Okay, let's see this end cutscene again. Whew. Here we go. Okay, let's see. I really don't remember this. Now that we're done, I'll control this helicopter. I'm an expert at this job. Yeah, no kidding, you crashed the plane. Alright, we'll find where we're gonna land when we find signals from above. Get in. It's no more safe out here. We need to hurry up. Glad he was stuck, man. Spooky. So it's been an hour. Do you see any signs of locations? I don't think so, but I'm dealing with one huge problem. That's we're running out of gasoline. Come on, I just put new in. That's a terrible sign. You must land somewhere else, even though you can't see clearly. Whoa, that's easy for you to say. How can you be so sure about this? What if we're in the middle of the ocean? I don't know. Fine, but is this copter's location tracker system working? I don't want to hear no. Yeah, it does, but it's been broken since we took off. That's why it took me an hour to view places. That's so sad. By the way, I think the toxic effect's having a relapse like a roller coaster again. Everything I see is quickly turning into black. Wait, Ed, I see some huge building. Thank goodness we can finally land. I hope there's no troublemakers there. Oh, don't worry, that's, I'll just not spoil it. Ed? Oh great, you passed out at this point. You surely need a cure to heal this. The place. Someone must own this enormous building. I need to seek for help. To be continued. You thought the ending was going to end. You thought the video was going to end there. Haha, nope. We're gonna check out the skins. Yay! Okay, so first of all, we're not doing it here, of course. We're gonna do it in the roleplay. Yeah. Oh. Okay, now let's seek the pig man. The pig man. There's the pig man. Traveler. I think that's his name. Badges. Badges, scroll down. And there they are. Wallius. Let's look at Wallius. Anyway, I told you, is the pilot. He has a parachute. It's flying. Oh god, it's flying. He has spiky arm. Let's look at his crouch. Oh, he's sad. Look at his eye. Eye spikes. Eye spikes. He looks really sad when he crouches. Lol. Jump scare. We haven't seen his in this video. Anyway, his music is of course beautiful. His stun animation is. You know, I would wish his stun animation was, you know, him freezing. But yeah, it's just him looking down and anyway, does he have a normal version? Yes, he does. Hey, that's cool. He's flying. That's cool. It's cool. His crouch, he's looking down again. Oh, that's so funny. Jump scare. Yeah, a sound again, but then with punches. Stun, just looking down and blub. Does he have an enemy? Just kidding, we already saw that. Right, next one. Next skin. Peb, what's his name? Definitely. Alright, anyway. Crouch. He's also looking down, he's sad. Let's look at his, let's hear his song. I'm gonna hit you with a hammer. Look down. Normal version? Okay, let's look at his skin. Let's go for it. He's getting Did he have snot in his nose before turning icy? Okay, that's pretty. He has a beard, an icy beard. I want that. Oh, his ears got cut off and turned into ice. This is snow ear. Blue eye. Normal version? Yes. Hey, groovy music, eh? Hey. Crouch. Oh, he's looking sad again. Why is everyone look sad when they crouch? I'm gonna hit you with this hammer. Bam! Stun. Just looking down again. Does he have an effect? No, just kidding. Anyway, groovy music. Oh yeah. Oh no, wrong one. Badges. I need badges. Gotta go down. Phew, I'm glad there's no spoilers for the next episode and the unknown traitor. Okay, Delectado. Now, of course, he was there in the beginning. We saw him there. Because, yes, he came from here when he grabbed the axe and he goes like, crouch. Crouch. Oh, he's also sad. Why does everyone look sad? What's this? What's this? What's this? I'm gonna saw you with this drill. That doesn't really sound right, but I'm gonna do it. Bam. Alright. Stun. Everything. They always do that. Normal version. Oh, hey, bow, hey, bow, hey, like that, boom, back, bow, and crouch. Stand up. Jump scare. Okay, I'm gonna song. Next one. Nationate assistant. Nationate. Crouch. Oh, look at his eyes. Jump scare. What was that? Hello? Anyone there? Did I do that? I just did this. Stun? His eyes are getting even his eyes go normal version? Oh yeah, right. I should probably not choose normal version because he does have a normal version, but that is in chapter 4. This one. His normal version is chapter 4, so yeah. No spoilers alert. No spoilers allowed. Envious. It's the spider! Spider! No! I'm living arachnophobia, please! Even though it's big spider! Anyway, look at the idle animation. Wait, help? Why help? Nah, man, I'm stunned. That's crouch, not stunned. I'm flying! Invisible spider! I'm stuck in the air. Ow. Alright. There. We didn't even almost never. I saved him! Oh, again. I'm gonna. Hey, come here. Come here. Hey, look at it. Hear the beat. Hey, wait, the footstep on the background makes the jump scare even better. Oh, wait. Hear that. Stun? Look at him. All the arms wide. Go. Hold it. Right, bam. Oh man. Wait guys, I hope you enjoyed this video and stay tuned. This is chapter 4. Stay tuned for part 2.